YKL Group introducing the most functional expeller machine in the kernel crushing industry. This machine is capable of achieving maximum throughput with minimum oil residue and sludge in the final press. The purpose of this machine is mainly to crush palm kernel in order to extract oil and cake. This machine able to achieve capacity of 30 to 35 metric ton of PK per day for the first press and 16 to 18 metric ton of first PKE per day for the second press, which is the largest second press capacity expeller machine. It is designed to cater the industry's need to pursue user-friendly equipment. Let's have a look between the old conventional kernel expeller and the new innovation from YKL Group. A conventional kernel expeller machine requires a good skills and long time to remove the press shaft from the machine's body. With this innovative patented duo shaft in place, it becomes significantly faster to assemble, replace, and maintain the machine, resulting in reduced downtime during scheduled maintenance sessions. A conventional kernel expeller machine possesses high percentage of sludge to form and accumulate at the oil pan and obstructs the oil flow. Hence, manpower is required to remove these sludge from oil overflow. Yet, this newly launched machine design concept enables end user to deal with problem of clearing sludge and overflow of oil from oil pan, which is very much reduced. For the conventional machine, it is necessary to have good skills but takes a long time to remove the worms and collars from the main shaft. Carrying out a maintenance works while the plant is running can be very dangerous. With our new innovation, the worm-removing hydraulic jack could reduce the downtime and manpower, and also removing the worms and collars from the main shaft become much easier. For more information, please visit us on www.yklgroup.com.my.